Hello, today we have to return the score for an exam. First of all, we have the answer key in the first list and the submitted answers in the second list. We have to check them. For each correct answer, we have to give 4 points. We have to subtract a point for an incorrect answer, and if the answer is empty, we should only add 0 to the score. First of all, we have to iterate through the two lists. So for answers in, well, let's rename this arguments, correct and student. For answers in the range and then the length of the correct list. As you can see, the two lists are not empty and are the same length, even if it contains an empty element like here. From here, you can print the, let's use an F string, the correct answers and the student answers. You can access those elements with the curly brackets and then the list name, correct. And then the square brackets, the answers, like this. And we have to check them with the student answers. Student answers. There we go. So we have the correct answers and the student answers, and we have to compare them. So we have to use conditions. Now, well, the first condition is the following. If the correct answers are equal to the student answers, double equal sign, we have to add 4 to the score. So first of all, we have to create an empty variable score of 0. That's the starting point. The score will be increased with 4. And then we have a second condition, else if the answer of the student is equal to empty, then will happen actually nothing. So the score remains the same. And lastly, if the student answer is incorrect, in other words, if the student answer is not the correct answer, we can subtract 1 from the score. Score plus equal sign minus 1. Lastly, we have to return the score. Well, let's check this out. Minus 3 should be 0. Oh, well, there's another condition. If the score is beneath 0, you should return 0. So let's add another condition here. If the score is less than 0, return 0, else return score. Let's test it again. And there we go. I hope this video has been useful. I hope to see you in another video.